Hey everyone, welcome to day 23 of our summer sketches. Today we're going to draw a really cute ant using the letter A. Let's get to it. We're going to start by drawing a lowercase a. And let me grab my pencil for details. This one is super simple, guys. You're going to draw your A. Let's add an eye and, of course, a smile. Then you're going to come to this top of this A, the line here, and you're going to go back and down. Then we're going to come right down a little bit here, and we're going to go up, over, and to a point. And then we're going to just draw little legs. We're going to keep these nice and simple, guys, just like that. And there's your ant. So let's outline it. Me and my boys, we just watched Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. And there's a little ant, well, big ant in the movie, Anty. So I guess ants were on my mind. It's so cute and it's so simple. I almost forgot to erase. There's only a couple little pencil marks here and there. And let's give them some color. There you have it, you guys, a simple ant. I hope you've been following along for the month, and I hope your drawings are getting better and better. And I hope you're having fun too. That's important. And there you have it, a cute little ant, easy enough for you to draw. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for our summer sketch.